Before we jump into the next video, I would love to take this opportunity to shout out the video sponsor, Distributed. Distributed is a tech-enabled startup founded on the belief that businesses of the future will thrive without the need for technical development teams in-house. Using the Distributed platform, clients can work with fully managed, globally distributed teams as easily as local teams, allowing you to build and maintain software faster, safer, with more visibility than ever before. If you are in the market, follow the link in the description below and make your way over to the estimation page. Here you can submit useful project details and in as little as 5 minutes get a response back on next steps. Thank you.
All right, guys, look, this is probably one of my best type of chicken wings. They are sweet, they're sticky, they're crispy. You just can't go wrong. In fact, I'm going to shout out two people, my sister Jay and my cousin Gloria. I think these are the best wings. I'm shouting out to you guys. Hopefully you guys love this. Now you can stop asking me to make it for you. You guys can make it yourself. Stay watching. Do not take your eyes off the screen. We have corn flour, salt, garlic, pepper, and 2 eggs. We're going to mix that together to get the base or the coating somewhat into the wings. And a little bit of baking powder. Now, I prefer to use corn flour and baking powder to get that crisp, because remember, these are going to be glazed in a sauce, so you don't want the crisp to go away. And then the rest of the seasoning is very standard: salt, garlic, and pepper. Straight to the key. I'll add the ingredients in the description as always, and 2 eggs. On the other side, we have our honey butter sauce, and this is going to be cooked a little bit separate. First, I'm going to fry the wings. I'm going to let them sit on the side while they rest, and I'm going to do the honey butter sauce. We've got honey, standard honey, butter, soft brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and crushed garlic. These are awesome. Let's get on with it so I can get eating. Okay, guys, get them gloves on. You know how I like to do this: clean hand, dirty hand. I'm actually right-handed, so I'll mix on my left hand and I'll put the ingredients in on my right hand. First and foremost, get the wings into here. All right. Set that to the side. I like to get the eggs in first, so let's do that. So I look for this kind of consistency with the amount of flour and egg mix. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna get the fryer out and get frying. So for you guys, it's literally seconds. For me, it's literally 20 minutes. Be right back. I just want to eat these as we speak, but I'm not, because we've got to get the honey butter sauce going. That's just going to take it to level 2. So I'm going to let these sit on the side and bring these in for you guys so you know what we're talking about. OMG, crispy wings, crispy wings. Close up, close up, close up, close up. Slowly pan. How about that? Anyway, so I'm gonna put these over to the side a little bit, let them just do their job out of the view. Let's focus on this honey butter sauce. Fire this up quickly, put it on manual, gonna get it on free. First things first, we get the butter and the garlic in. Really quick. There you go, turn it off. That's the sauce. Get the wings. Let's do this. I'm gonna get the wings in here. They've cooled down, so you can hand these. Oh, they are crispy, 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 crispy. Can you imagine I'm gonna eat all these wings by myself? When my wife watches this, she's gonna be like, what's up with that? Wings in there. I need butter sauce. See if I can make this nice for you guys. You see that? Okay. All in there. Get the little trusty cover so I don't make mess. You ready for the opening? Bring it in. Oh my gosh, guys. Are you having a laugh? Come on. Come on. All right, let me move all this stuff. It's time for the taste test. The taste test. The best part of the day. Let's do this. I'm salivating. I'm gonna eat all these wings to myself. I'm only going to eat a couple just so I do not make it too unfair for you guys. Gloria, Jay, I keep calling you out. I keep calling you out, but let's do this. First, wet, sticky wing. Come on. I taste the sweet garlic. The sweet honey. Oh man. I need to bring the mic up so you guys can just really understand what's going on. Come on. I need a finger licking good. Bring the mic in for you. Guys, just try these wings at home. Just try them. They are so awesome. Come on. Go in with the sriracha. Go in with the sriracha sauce. See it there? The sweet and the spicy, something to play with. Come on now. These are probably my best wings. And what makes them so awesome, they don't require too much seasoning. It's really in the sauce. It's really in that finger licking sauce. You see? I'm gonna do one more for you because I think it wouldn't be fair. This one's getting OTT on the sriracha sauce. You see it there? This is so awesome. And to think, it's just me by myself today with all these wings. Eat everything. My mama taught me how to eat these wings properly. If Kenya was here, oh guys, you would not know. She loves wings. She loves these wings specifically. But guys, as you see, really easy to make. You know, check out my AP route. Hit it, eggs, corn flour, a little bit of baking powder, fry it, do the sauce, mix it all together. Party wings. I can keep going all day and all night. This is how we do it. Oh yeah. So hopefully you guys loved it. Hopefully I showed you something really quick to make. Really awesome, nice and flavorful. As always, guys, stay subscribed. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon so you get notified when the new episodes come out. Add your comments down below for whatever it is you want me to make. Thumbs up and everything and above. As always, see you on the next one. Don't know about you guys, but I'm about to have a party.